In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepSeek to make money online. Free passive income for beginners. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type DeepSeek and press enter. From the results, click the official DeepSeek website. If the site doesn't load in English, look for the language toggle and select English so everything is easy to read. Then click Start Now to jump into the chat interface. That's where we'll generate the content for simple digital products you can sell. DeepSeek is great at producing text, structures, and layout ideas you can quickly turn into printable planners. Let's start with a daily planner. In the chat, paste a clear prompt like this. Design a printable daily planner page with the following sections: date, top priorities, schedule, 6 a.m. 10 p.m. with hourly slots, to-do list, notes, and a hydration tracker. Keep the design minimal and suitable for black and white printing. Click Submit. If the response needs tweaks, ask DeepSeek to adjust the sections, spacing, or tone until it matches your style. Minimal black and white designs print cleanly and cost less ink, which customers love. Next, create a weekly planner with a horizontal layout. Use a prompt such as, create a printable weekly planner with a horizontal layout. Each day should have equal writing space. Include weekly goals, a habit tracker, and a notes section. Use a clean grid layout. Paste it, then click Submit. Again, refine as needed. Equal space across all days keeps it flexible for different schedules. Now generate a monthly planner. Try. Generate a monthly calendar template with a 7x5 grid, space for notes, and a clean, minimalist style. Ensure the template can be reused for any month. Click Submit and review. Reusable templates are valuable because buyers can print them again and again. Finally, let's build a specialized productivity planner. Prompt DeepSeek with design a printable productivity planner that includes goal breakdown, task prioritization using the Eisenhower matrix, a time tracking chart, and a weekly progress review. Click Submit. These structured sections add real utility and help your product stand out. Once you have the content and layout guidance, move it into your preferred design tool to format the pages, set margins, and add simple lines or boxes. Keep it crisp, test print a page, and export to PDF in common sizes like US letter and A4. Clear file names and a short usage note make your listing more professional. When you're ready, list your planners on your preferred marketplace or store, use clean preview images, and start with a simple price point to encourage early sales. That's how you use DeepSeek to create printable planners that can generate beginner-friendly, low-effort passive income.